Hey everyone, Sarah from Easy English Club back with another English lesson. Today we are going to go over British English pronunciation help of letter D words. If you haven't already, guys, give me the thumbs up if you find the video useful. Thank you. It's important for the channel. Okay, the letter D. It's used in all sorts of words, really common in British English. D. You kind of use your tongue behind your teeth, because as you know, pronunciation is all to do with the tongue, the teeth, facial muscles, and the jaw. All these help contribute to good pronunciation. Okay. First word I've got for you is dehydrate. 3 syllables, guys. Dehydrate. Dehydrate. What this means is you kind of have a lack of water. For example, if you stay out in the sun too long, you can dehydrate. Say that after me, guys. If you stay out in the sun too long, you can dehydrate. Another example. Drink lots of water so that you don't dehydrate. Repeat that back, guys. I'm listening. Very good. Next word, de facto. 3 syllables again, guys. De facto. De facto. What this means is it's like actually is. It's accepted. It's existing in fact. It's de facto. Example sentence. English is the de facto language of the world. English is the de facto language of the world. Another example. Benjamin is the de facto leader of the party. Benjamin is the de facto leader of the party. Third word, guys, is description. 3 syllables again. Description. Description. Example sentence. Well, here's what it means. It's like a statement of facts, or a picture, or it's text. Like acts or methods. Example sentence. Please read the description. Please read the description. That's description. Another example. I'd heard that he was handsome. Yes, he fits that description. I'd heard that he was handsome. Yes, he fits that description. Okay, guys, don't forget English pronunciation. Teeth, tongue, facial muscles, and the jaw. Keep them exercised. Keep practicing and you will get this. Appreciate your time, guys. Thumbs up again if you found the video useful. Leave your comments below. I'll get back with you. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell icon and you'll know when there's new content. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.